Hey guys, so Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I wanted to do just a quick video showing that you don't have to spend a fortune to get yourself a really nice looking custom tractor. So what I did is I started off with this Case IH 540, which just came out here earlier this year or late last year, whenever it was. And these are already pretty nice tractors to begin with. And I tell you what, even the wheels and tires aren't bad on these. So if you really want to save yourself some money, you wouldn't even have to swap these wheels and tires out, guys. So these are really great tractors to start customizing with. If you want to swap the wheels and tires out, a little bit of heat, they should just pull right off. Or if you got tire pullers, you can use those. So the tools I used, some sprue cutters, side cutters, whatever you want to use. I used styrene sheet, just whatever size you want to use. You don't have to get fancy here, guys. Straight pins, which you can buy 1,000 of these for almost nothing at Walmart. And then a little bit of styrene, just a styrene, typical styrene, what I want to call it, not rod because it's not round, but beam, I guess. And you can turn this tractor into this tractor. So, how did I do that? Well, first and foremost, I drilled out a little bit there on the front to make my rails for the steps. On the sides, kind of just bent some straight pins to look like handrails there. Same thing up on the cab. And then also inside the cab. The great thing about these Case IH tractors, the cab top just pops right off. And you can see I put in the door handles and the door rails there. I also put in a cooler, but you don't have to do that. That was just something a little extra added. And then this guy back here, it's just all styrene. Just a couple different sizes of styrene, and then I did a little sanding. And then the mirrors, same thing. Some styrene, some straight pin, and some more styrene. And you've got yourself, I think, a very nice looking tractor. Now, I did swap the wheels, so full disclosure, that's about a $30, $30 worth of tires there. Probably not quite 30, more like 24 or 5, but if you're going to ship it and all that, you're going to end up in about 30. But there's another look at the rails. You can see on the other side, I did the same thing. I used a straight pin across the door, and then I cut a piece of styrene to put a monitor in there. So just getting creative and using your resources. You don't have to spend a ton of money. And if you're wondering how this pops off, literally just pull it, and now you have access to that interior. You can do anything you want there. Super easy to do. So this is obviously, being the new ones, they've got a little trickier to get back on. There you go. They've actually got the holes for the pins that came with the Prestige series. But I just made my own mirrors out of styrene. Again, super easy, and I just did it just kind of to show you guys that it's doable. Now here's a quad track. I haven't put mirrors on this. I don't know, maybe I may not. But anyway, same treatment, guys. Handrails where we need them. See the door stop there? When you open the door on those quad tracks, there's like a little stop on the outside. And then, again, monitors on the inside. Got the handles for the doors. And a nice flasher bar back there. Just kind of showing you don't have to go out, spend a ton of money on cast parts or 3D parts to make a nice tractor. Here's another one. Just real simple. Again, just wheel and tire swap, but you don't have to do the wheel and tire swap. And then, like I said, just kind of the sort of standard customization. So anyway, guys, I just kind of want to make this a nice little short video just to show you, if you started off with something like this Ertl Case IH, you can get yourself a really nice looking tractor for not very much money. Anyway, I hope that helps y'all out. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know down below in the comments. If you haven't liked, shared, subscribed, all that stuff, please do. Just helps us out. Give us a thumbs up, too. That helps out a bunch with the Facebook algorithm and all that. We're on all the different social medias, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you name it. We're there. Thanks for watching, guys. Have yourselves an awesome day. Happy tractor hunting.